Yeah, I mean, it's a thought that counts. Now, what we gonna do now?
Yo, let me take the... Nah,
nah, fuck you, nigga. It's good. Yo, it's the June jump off.
You had to cut that shit, son. Come on. Come on. Get around. Get around. Nah, nigga, you about to blow your shit out.
They're not done yet, nigga.
Oh, you recording? You recording? Hold on.
What the fuck is wrong?
Hold on, you recording?
An hour and a half.
You recording? I got you. I got you. I'm gonna get everybody for you. I'm gonna get everybody for you. Put them on MySpace. Warning, he gonna put you on MySpace. Warning, he gonna put your ass on MySpace. Oh, you about to do it?
He don't even know what the fuck he's doing.
Man, this shit ain't recorded, yeah?
You damn right. Let me get it recorded, bitch. Alright, this is the June jump off. You know what I mean? We here live.
We supposed to be saying, come on, you ready?
And you know, it's jumping right now. We got Shorty, we got May, we got everybody chilling. You know what I mean? And basically, this shit is jumping right now. I got the wrong way.
Happy birthday!
And all the Geminis.
How old are you?
No, fuck that.
Is that roll?
Is that
roll?
God gonna bless you drinking all that liquor. You know how that demon
I don't know what's going on. I don't really know what's going on.